Okay, here I want to make a video about the 7 series. It's in a horrible condition, but it has a fiber optic problem and it's kind of more complex than others. So I wanted to show there's a trick here, so it's not easy. It was not easy to find out what was going on. So first of all, let's start from the trunk. You can see everything is assembled here. That's another problem. But anyway, so everything started that there was no, you can see there's no light anywhere. So fiber optic light was missing everywhere. You can see nothing is there. So what we found out, you can see, but the light is here. So the light first goes to navigation unit in this car, and then travels to all other units. So basically, when you have this problem, when the fiber optic network doesn't work, just disconnect all the units in your trunk and find at least one working. So we found one working here. Obviously, if we connect it back to the unit, nothing happens. You can see. So light doesn't show up anywhere. So what you're supposed to do, navigation unit obviously dead. Basically we bypass it like this. The lighting is no good, but nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. So you can see the light showed up here. So we connect it here. So then it goes to here. Everything is kind of nice here, and we got all the lights working. The amplifier also has the light. Everything is nice here. Then we go right here, and this is the last. That's the trick here I wanted to show you, that nothing works. It's supposed to work, but God, it's not that common. Okay, you disconnect that part over here, and you can see we got the light. When the navigation unit was connected, there was no light here. I can show you. Basically, if you disconnect anything, there won't be no light here. So this is good thing. It actually tells that all the modules are working good. This is the last module, which is going back to the MMI GT. So everything's nice, but once we connect it, nothing happens. And it definitely indicates that the fiber optic light is working. Okay, it's connected, but like I said, nothing on the screen still. So navigation unit is bad, but then I removed the ASK unit, and as you can see, the red light is flashing here, which is not a good sign. It's supposed to be steady red still. So what you do, you try to put the disc in. It doesn't let you. It doesn't take the disc. So usually it indicates. Sometimes it lets you do that, then it stops. So it means it indicates that the processor is dead in the ASK unit. And as you can see, it's still flashing. So that's the actual problem, that the ASK unit is still transmitting the light, but it's not enough. It's let me double check on that part. It's still not enough. So basically the light is transmitted, but it's not transmitted properly. So therefore, we have this problem. Okay, this one is connected. All the lights are complete. And now if we look here, you can see that light is blinking sporadically. It's not supposed to do that. When it's doing this, you basically remove the upper lid. It's pretty simple. That's the lid. You just simply remove it and then look inside. If it's blinking like this when all the units connected, it means the ASK unit is dead. And another symptom, usually what I do, if it doesn't take the disc, it means the ASK unit is not booting up. So basically in this car there were two problems. The navigation unit was dead and the ASK unit was dead. Usually this happens when people don't take care of it. They drive it with a bad unit and it constantly resets the fiber optic network, and it killed the other unit. So I'm thinking the navigation unit died because of the ASK unit. Could be other way that navigation unit killed this unit. Possible, because when the unit is not doing well, it constantly resets the network. But I'm thinking this is the unit resetting the network, because you can see it's sporadically blinking up. The navigation doesn't even boot anymore. So that's about it. Once we replace this unit, everything's going to be back and we're going to get the sound. So I wanted just to show you that this dreaded problem with the sound could be more serious than just one unit dead. There are two units dead. But probably in the beginning it was just one unit dead. I don't know how long I've been driving without working unit. All right, thank you for watching.